Broccoli, a green vegetable that often gets a bad rap from picky eaters, is actually a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your overall health. One of the most well-known benefits of broccoli is its high vitamin C content. This essential nutrient is important for immune function, skin health, and collagen production. Just 1 cup of cooked broccoli provides more than 100% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Broccoli is also a great source of vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health and blood clotting. In fact, just 1 cup of cooked broccoli contains over 100% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin K. This makes broccoli an excellent choice for maintaining strong and healthy bones. In addition to vitamins C and K, broccoli is also rich in other important vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of vitamin A, which is important for eye health and immune function. Broccoli also contains significant amounts of folate, which is essential for cell growth and DNA repair. But perhaps one of the most impressive things about broccoli is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Broccoli is loaded with antioxidants like sulforaphane, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that eating broccoli regularly can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. This is due to the high levels of sulforaphane and other antioxidants found in broccoli. But the benefits of broccoli don't stop there. This versatile vegetable is also a great source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Broccoli is also low in calories and high in water content, making it a great choice for weight management. It can help you feel full and satisfied without adding a lot of extra calories to your diet. And let's not forget about the versatility of broccoli. This vegetable can be enjoyed in a variety of ways, from steamed and sautéed to roasted and grilled. It can be added to salads, stir-fries, soups, and casseroles. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the humble broccoli. This nutrient-dense vegetable has a lot to offer in terms of health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support bone health, or reduce your risk of cancer, broccoli is a great choice. So go ahead and load up your plate with this green superfood. Your body will thank you.